Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting permissions and a usable image. Open ChatGPT and pick the multimodal option. Once done, tap the image upload icon and choose the photo. Make sure the subject fills most of the frame and lighting shows detail. This helps the model read text, colors, and shapes accurately. If needed, crop to remove distractions before uploading. You'll see a thumbnail. Confirm it. Then write a short instruction about what you want the model to do with the photo. Once the image is uploaded, tell the model exactly what to do. Ask for step-by-step edits, captions, or object identification. For example, say replace the blue shirt with red, keep shadows. If you want to crop or mask, describe boundaries or label the area in text. This reduces guesswork. Make sure to include desired output format, caption, JSON metadata, or downloadable file, and any limits like size or word count. If you need iterative changes, request numbered revisions so responses stay organized. You finish by checking the response and confirming the image meets your goals. If the edit is off, tell the model what to change using numbers or short directives. For example, 1. Brighten face 10%. 2. Remove background. Then download the revised image or copy the text output and store originals. If things go wrong, try one key fix. Upload a higher resolution photo or simplify the prompt to a single task. This removes ambiguity and usually fixes misinterpretation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.